What's going on, everybody? It's Buddy here. So today in the mail we got our highly anticipated cheapest front lip on the internet. Now I believe these were about 35 bucks. I can't remember, honestly. It took about 2 months for them to come in, but here's kind of a close-up for you. Not too bad. I mean, it's definitely not pretty, but what can you expect for 35 bucks? So they are universal, they are adjustable. Obviously, as you can see, you can kind of twist it this way. Same with the other one. And how I learned this one goes on top of this one is from these beautiful instructions. Honestly, I tried to read them. They're kind of weird. They're broken English, so we don't need to worry about those really. What it comes with here is some washers, some self-tapping screws, and they give you a couple of these little spacer blocks. I'm probably not going to use those. I don't even know if I'm going to use these screws. I'm probably just going to use my own. So let's go outside and throw them on my BMW and see how they look. This is the vehicle we're putting them on. Like I said earlier, they are universal, so they should work with whatever kind of car you got. So from our instructions here, it looks like this center piece is the one that goes on first. So I'm going to get that nice and centered. And then we're going to take our side pieces here and kind of tweak them and adjust them and make sure they look nice and pretty. Now my first course of action is going to be throwing on some ramps just so I can fit my drill under there and screw in those self-tapping screws. And anytime you get your car in ramps, it's always good practice to pull up your e-brake and secure your wheel with wheel chocks. If you don't have wheel chocks, a simple 2x4 will do the trick. And since we're down here, these rims were painted by yours truly. It's been about 50,000 miles and a few years since I painted them, and they do not have a single rock chip. So to learn how to get a super durable finish here on your rims, be sure to check out my channel, and I will put a link in the description for this video. Cool little trick is get your jack stands and actually put it in place and center it with your jack stands. So from this corner to this corner, it looks like we're exactly at 42. Half of 42 is 21. So we're going to mark that right here at 21. Now we got our level lined up. Smack in the middle of the car. And smack in the middle of the front lip. So I'm really not trying to go full rice mode, so I did push it back a little bit. Make it nice and subtle. It is centered, so it's time to screw it in. And by the way, I'd probably skip these chintzy screws from China. Go to Home Depot or something, get you some nice thick screws. And time to lock it in place. And I also put the world's cheapest side skirts on this exact same BMW. I wasted the money so you didn't have to, or did I waste the money? Maybe they're worth it. Guess you're gonna have to watch the video to find out. The link will be in the description. Alright, so far so good. It's time to put these little guys on. And they were actually nice enough to give us one long self-tapping screw that we're going to use to attach the two pieces together. And time for the other side. And be sure to leave me a thumbs up, guys, and definitely consider subscribing. So this is the finished product. Honestly, I think it looks pretty good. The crappy finish kind of gets hidden by the shadowing of the car. And trust me, it's really bright here in my little shop. I got like 6 lights on right here. But yeah, honestly, for 35 bucks, I couldn't ask for a better product. And they definitely match the side skirts really well. Cough, cough. Check out my side skirt video. So that's pretty much it, guys. And don't forget to check out my channel. I got a lot of really cool videos already on the channel. It's like how to repair a curb rash on your rim. Also how to paint your rim and brake calipers. How to paint your car and get a professional looking result with nothing but spray cans. How to repair scratches on your car at home with no expensive tools and much, much more. So be sure to subscribe and leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video.